Good evening again. This is a small video, just I think 2 minutes. It has all the mathematics involved in intraday, mathematics and general information. So intraday is in 3 time slots: 9:45 to 11 a.m. This should give you 1% profit on your funds. 11 to 1:45 is 2% profit because it's the longest gradient that you have, either upwards or downwards. And the last is 1:45 to 3, which is very aggressive, which depends on the trend of Nifty. The first one is the 3 candle which I have told you. The second one is the reverse of the first one, mostly, 75-80%. And the third is the trend of Nifty. This is the maths part. So let's say if you have a fund of 100, it could be 10,000 or 1 lakh. So let's consider it as 100 rupees. Margin that you get in intraday is 4 times. Now if you have any doubts, this is the website where you can find why I say 4 times. So the calculation is whatever funds you have, 100 into that many times, 4 times. This fabric is going on. We don't know what BSE does in the coming months, but this is what is the prevalent: 100 into 4 times. Let's say 103 is the price of Bank of Baroda. So you get 3 Bank of Baroda shares at the rate of 100. One Bank of Baroda is 103, whereas your fund is only 100. But because you're getting 4 times, that's why you get 3 Bank of Baroda shares in 100 rupees, and you are able to buy 3 quantity. Buy price is 103. Let's say sell price is only 103.40 paisa, only 40 paisa up. So what happens? Turnover is 103 into 3 plus 103.4 into 3. So that's turnover. And the brokerage that is prevalent in the scheme that I have is rupees 7 on turnover of rupees 1 lakh. So on this turnover, only 0.06 paisa is what I have to give as brokerage, because I am handling this for number of years. STTs, taxes, SEBI charges, etc., stamp duty, and now I will just minimize it so that you see the profit on 100 rupees. So I've just reduced the size so that you can see net profit and loss is 1% on 100 on only 40 paisa of the price if it gets appreciated. This is just revising the first trade that we do. First 3 candles, 1, 2, 3. First trade, 3 candles. You have to see if it's on the lower side of the height, total height, that means you need to sell. But before selling, you have to try and see that you get the maximum price. So when it's green and going up is when you sell here. I will reduce this zoom so that you can see the whole image. So first trade at 9:45 is somewhere here. A dotted line is at the lower half, so you need to sell first and then buy at low with 1% profit, which I've already explained 2-3 times earlier. So we were discussing of selling here so that we are able to buy when it goes down. It mostly does that. See, it has been bought here with profit. This is the proof.